Do you want passive income in 2026? Are you tired of working hard but not seeing the results you deserve? Most people are grinding every day with no system, no leverage, and no plan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work smarter, not harder, by using passive income strategies that actually work in 2026. Before we start, hi, my name is Jaylen Brooks with Modern Money, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Now back to the story. Before we dive in, let's clear something up. Passive income is not easy money. It's income that continues to flow after the initial work is done. Most people waste time on slow or outdated methods. I'm going to show you the best options for 2026 based on what's trending, profitable, and scalable. First up, the simplest, high interest savings accounts and digital banking yields. Watch as I Google for high yield savings account. I often go to nerdwallet.com because they will have the current rates at your fingertips. In 2026, several online banks are paying above average interest rates, sometimes better than traditional banks. This is passive because you already have money. It grows without active work. The key is compare rates, use FDIC insured options, automate deposits. This earns you safe passive returns with zero trade effort. As you see on my screen, we have two banks that are standing out. The highest rate so far is Open Bank by Santander with 4.2 interest rate. I recommend checking out the details. I'm actually familiar with Santander Bank, but if you are not, please do your own research on the institution that you are interested in before just signing up. Make sure that the bank is legitimate. Online banks will not have the brand recognition as traditional banks and no local branches footprint that you have seen. So Fi definitely has branded and positioned themselves as a #1 trusted online bank in this new day in time. Once you have done your due diligence, you could apply online. The second highest rate on the list is SoFi with 4% interest rate. This is current as of January of 2026. These online banks can offer better rates than traditional banks because they do not have expensive operating cost of paying for traditional brick and mortar. Passive real estate is still powerful, but we're in 2026. This needs refinement. Instead of buying properties outright, consider rentals and vacation rentals on Airbnb. Also, real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise, Arrived Homes will let others manage your investment and you collect a share. This is real passive income with minimal daily involvement. Would you like to create once and then sell forever? This is one of the highest leverage passive income ideas. Create products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, printables. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, and Teachable can help set up automated funnels, and the income continues while you sleep. This is creative passive income with big upside. The key is to create something that you are knowledgeable about and that will provide value to other people who are searching for the tools or recourses. The best methods for fastest growing passive income in 2026 would be to use AI tools to support content creation. Examples: automated audio content, AI generated blog articles, video automation, niche microblogs. These monetize through ads, affiliate revenue, passive and ad. Subscription models, AI does the heavy work, you set the system up once. All 5 of these strategies are working today. They range from low risk to high reward, and they fit the new digital economy of 2026. This is a new year to pick yourself up and try something new. Pick one idea and start small, and automate what you can. This is how real passive income is built. If you would like more detailed information about passive income, then sign up for my Patreon. Feel free to comment money, and I will send you a step-by-step checklist. Thank you for watching Modern Money with Jaylen Brooks. If you would kindly take a second to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, I would gratefully appreciate it. Until next time, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.